Hello friends, today we are discuss how to make Sigma video. Making a viral Sigma edit for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels or TikTok comes down to a specific formula: iconic movie clips, dark color grading, syncing cuts to heavy funk music, and bold text overlays. Here is the step-by-step process to create one using free phone or desktop editing apps like CapCut, VN or Premiere Pro. Gather your raw materials: character clips, source HD clips, 1080p or 4K of popular Sigma figures. Common choices include Patrick Bateman, American Psycho, Thomas Shelby, Peaky Blinders, Officer K. Driver, Blade Runner 2049, Drive, Tyler Durden, Fight Club. Trending audio: use popular funk or dark ambient tracks. Example: Drive Forever, Metamorphosis, Murder in My Mind or trending Brazilian funk. Sound effects: source transitions, bass booms or gun cocking sounds for extra impact on beat drops. Edit the video step by step. Set up your canvas aspect ratio. Open your video editor and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Import your source footage and scale it up so the character's face remains centered in the frame. Cut and sync to the beat drop. Place your audio track first. Find the main beat drop or transition point in the music. Before the drop, use slow moving or quiet dialogue clips. After the drop, cut quickly between high intensity clips right on the bass hits. Apply velocity speed curves. Apply speed ramping to make motion dramatic. Slow down the video right before a key facial expressions or movement. The signature Batman nod. Speed up briefly on the beat transition to create punchy rhythm. Add color grading and visual effects. Give the video its dark, dramatic look. Adjustment: crank up contrast 15 to 25, bump sharpening and slightly lower saturation and lower the temperature for a cooler tone. Effects: add a subtle flash effect white or black flash on key beat drops, and a mild camera shake or zoom in effect on dramatic moments. Add bold captions and quotes. Overlay text with mindset quotes or humors. Sigma rule captions font. Use clean, heavy fonts like Impact or Beaver's new styling. White text with a thin black stroke shadow, highlighting keywords in bright yellow or orange. Animation. Set text animations to pop up word by word in sync with voiceovers or beat changes.